Okay, so today's class only it is something different, nothing to do with numbers or number series. Today's topic only it is more about shapes. Andre one geometrical figure irutte question alli and you should count the number of shapes. Andre one figure kottare and the question will be like number of triangles you should find or number of squares, number of rectangles, ಆ ಥರ question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I'll straight away one example in that I will start explaining and then you will understand how it is. So the topic name is called number of geometrical figures. Number of geometrical figures. Okay, so this is the topic name. Straight away one for example question in that I will start explaining it to you. So okay. Okay, so this is the geometrical figure. Illi question ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should find how many triangles are there in the figure. This is the geometrical figure. Question is find the number of triangles. Triangles andre how many sides does a triangle have?
10.
No, 10. No, not this. Number of sides. One triangle only how many sides will be there?
3 sides.
3 sides.
3 sides.
Yes. So ಇವಾಗ 10 ಅಂತ someone said. ಇವಾಗ directly if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
But 10 is not the answer. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ yes there are 10. But I'll take a different color and explain. So direct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ yes there are 10. But ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ suppose ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Am I correct? ಆ 2 triangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Still you are getting a triangle. So ಆ ತರ inside full figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you will have more triangles. Okay, so that's why first rule ಈ ತರ questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ first rule ಏನಂದ್ರೆ direct counting you should not do. Direct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ count ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will miss some count, okay, in between. Okay, for this 10 is not the answer. So how to do such questions, counting questions, I'll tell you. There is one technique. I'll explain it to you. Okay, so first corners. Okay, itara corners, edges irattalva. Now these are all itara one big dot ide alva. So these are all corners. Okay, so ಈ figures alli for each corner write alphabets. Start with A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Just check ಮಾಡಿ, did I leave any corner? Any edge? Any corner did I leave? I don't think so. I've covered all the corners. Did you understand this step? First step ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first step ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, for every corner alphabet. Okay, give an alphabet order ಅಲ್ಲಿ start with A B C D. Here we went from A B C D E F G H I. Okay, so all corners ಗೆ I have written alphabets. Now start with the first letter A. A in the start ಮಾಡಿ check what all triangles are there in the order. ಅಂದ್ರೆ now first A ಅಲ್ವಾ, from A to A in the B let us start. Okay, with A B G is one triangle. A B G nodi, A B G andre this one, A B G. Can you see this triangle A B G? Everyone, can you answer? That is one triangle, correct? Next, after A B G, B in A B G aitalva. Now A B in rane, just check if there is one more triangle. A B G is over. A B F is also a triangle. A B F. Check that and tell me if it's correct or not. A B F. Andre this one. A B F. Is it a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So A B F.
Yes,
Now A B G ಆಯ್ತು, A B F ಆಯ್ತು. Now with A B there is no other triangle. Check ಮಾಡಿ, there is no other triangle which is formed. A B C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು straight line ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it is not considered. Next A B D. A B D ಅಲ್ಲಿ D ಇಂದ there is no line for triangle, so A B D is not possible. So ಆ ಥರ no other triangle is possible. Okay, only A B G and A B F. Any doubt? A B in the, is there any other triangle? Just check and tell me. Can anyone try? Check ಮಾಡಿ, is there another triangle with A B?
No, ma'am.
No, with A B it is not done. So A and B, A B combination ಆಯ್ತು. After B it is C. So A C combination in the, let us try. Okay. So AC andre this is AC, this big line AC in the big full triangle nodi, ACE. This is a triangle ACE. Artha aita? Which triangle? ACE is the big triangle. So the ACE is done. AC in the, there is no other triangle formed. Just check and tell me. AC, with AC, is there any other triangle formed?
No, ma'am.
So AC is also done. B is done. C is done. A, B, C, D. A to D connection is itself not there. So AD combination won't be there. Okay. Next, A, B, C, D, E. AE, so if you take AE, which triangle you will get? Matte same triangle. AE in the matte CO, you will go back. But illi already repeat aitu, alva? Now AEC and ACE is the same triangle, correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you should not consider it again. Okay. So only one time count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So you can't take AEC again. C already ಆಯ್ತು, so don't go back to C again. So with AE also there is nothing. Next AF. AF in the combination, is it there? Check and tell me.
AFG.
Correct. AFG is a triangle. AFG. Okay. A B C D E F. Next AG combination in the, is there any triangle? Any triangle which is not repeated, repeat ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. Now AGF and AFG is the same triangle, so ಅದು count ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. But if not this, is there any other triangle with AG? Just check and tell me. With AG there is no other triangle, okay? Because AGF andre illi already repeat ಆಯ್ತು. AF. AGB andre illi first repeat aitu. ABG and AGB is the same thing. Okay, so with AG there is no triangle. Next ABCDEFG, H and I. AH and AI there is no connection eno illa. So it is not possible with AH and AI. So letter A is done. Okay, last alphabet I in the till I we checked, there is no more triangles left. So letter A is done. After letter A we should start with B. So B in the, when you are checking, you should not consider A again, because A whatever is possible with A adella illi already consideration aitu. So you should not check for A again. Okay, so we'll start with B now. So B C combination in the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, you cannot start with BA. BA, why you should not start? Because A combinations ella already we have finished. Okay, so now A letter A should not repeat. Now with BC, tell me what all triangles are there?
BCD.
Okay.
BCD.
Yes, okay, BCD is done. Next.
BCH.
Yes,
BCH.
correct. Any other triangle with BC?
Ma'am.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay, so after C, which letter? It is D. So with BD, tell me if there are any triangles.
BDF. BDF.
BDF, correct. BDF and BDF, okay, correct. Any other triangle with BD? No, there is no other triangle. So next letter in check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. B, C, E. B and D in the another possibility ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, ma'am.
No. B and F?
No,
B?
ma'am.
No, because already repeat ಆಯ್ತು. Next letter ಏನು? F, G. B and G?
No, ma'am. BGH.
Correct. BGH, correct. BGH check ಮಾಡಿ. If you have doubt, check ಮಾಡಿ before ಇಲ್ಲಿ previous combinations ಅಲ್ಲಿ repeat ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡಿ. BGH ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು repeat ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so BGH is correct. There is another triangle. Now BH in the, is there anything else?
BH. No, ma'am.
No. BI?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now letter B is also done. Until I we checked. Okay, so we got all B. So all the triangles start with B combination. So even letter B is done. Now start with C. So first, which combination? Yeah, combination. CD combination. Start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so CD, with CD, tell me if there is a triangle.
CDB? No, ma'am.
CDB andre B already ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? B is already over. So CDB andre it's nothing. Yes, CDH is correct. Okay, so C in the whichever combinations you are writing, only B include ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You should not include B. Okay, because B in the all combinations we completed. Okay, so CDH is correct. C in the, is there any other triangle? No. So next CE. What about CE?
No, ma'am.
No. F. CF. What about CF? C and F. Adu link in connection in the C and F. So it is not possible with C and F. What about C? C and G also, there is no line in between, so it is not possible. CH in the ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒನ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಕ್. Someone's mic is on. Okay. So C, I, we tried till I and there is only one possibility. So letter C is also done. Okay. Now D in the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So which is the first combination to start?
DE.
DE. Yeah. So start ಮಾಡಿ. With DE, which triangles are possible?
DEI.
Okay. DEI. Correct. Next.
DEF.
DEF is correct. Okay. Next. DE in the, is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So after EF, DF in the, is there any new triangle? Already illi not what we wrote. Any new combination idya with DF?
No, ma'am.
No, correct. There is no new triangle. After F, D and G possibility idya to make a triangle?
No, ma'am.
Possible.
No, ma'am.
After G, H. DH, check ಮಾಡಿ with DH.
DHI.
Correct. DHI. So I in the already I ಆಯಿತು, same triangle ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So even with D, all possibilities are done. Next, start with E. What is the first combination?
EF. EIF.
Okay. EFI. EFI is correct. Next, EF in the any other triangle? Bharata? With EF. There is no other triangle. Okay. EF in the only one triangle, EFI. So after F, EG. EG in the, is it possible? Any triangle?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
What about EH?
No, ma'am.
No. Because
No, ma'am.
EH, it is not possible because E and H between line is only not there. So not possible. EI, same thing will repeat. EIF or EFI is the same thing. So with E also we have completed. Okay. Next, come to F. So which combinations should I start?
F.
Combination next letter ಏನು start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
EGI.
F E ಆಯ್ತು. EGI. E ಅಲ್ಲ.
F.
F.
FGI.
FGI, correct. FGI. Next, F in the FH. What about FH? FH in the anything possible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So FI andre same thing repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So even F we have done. Next, after F, which letter? G. So what is the combination with G?
GH.
GH. Okay, so GH in the, is there any triangle?
GHI.
GHI, correct. So GHI, that's it, final, over. Because ivaga if you take H or I, same triangle ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this ends with the number of triangles. Ivaga count ಮಾಡಿ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9,
15.
12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So in this geometrical figure, how many triangles are there?
15.
15 triangles. Correct. Okay, 15. But ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? You will get only 10 because if you count like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ಈ ತರ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ only 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 also is there, 15 also is there. But which is the correct option? 15. Okay, so that's why ಈ ತರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. That is why ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಸಿ, ಎ ಡಿ, ಎ ಎಫ್, ಎ ಇ, ಎ ಎಫ್, ಆ ತರ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, it will get over very fast. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ first A in the we started. Now next we are starting with B. So B in the when you are checking, you should not consider A again. Nodi E combination alli do you see A anywhere?
No ma'am.
No, E is not there. Next after B, C. C combination alli B and A will not be there anywhere. D combination alli do you see ABC? E combination?
No ma'am.
ABC, it's not there. So like that you should do the counting of figures. Okay,
Yes ma'am.
so 15 is the answer. Idu method, any doubt for anyone?
No ma'am.
Okay, so ivaga one more question. If I start now, it will not get over in time, so I'll continue same topic tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for
Yes
today,
ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you ma'am.